Hey yo, this is Mod7 and this is probably going to be a private video or hidden video, and I'm going to show you an auto splitter that I worked on yesterday. I don't actually speed run Resident Evil, but I would like to start in the following days streaming it. I've got to say that I know that there are like tons of live split, auto splitter, many programs that actually do the same. I just wanted to have like my small version. I'm just going to fast forward this so that you can see. Well, actually, I'm going to show you that I can just add like a second room. For example, if I press Control 1, I'm adding a section to that script. I'm adding Control 1 for the next room, and I'm adding like this one, for example, Control 1. And if I go to my project folder and my data folder and I press Control 2, I'm going to get a file with my with my newer splits, the new that I added. This was just like to show you how it worked. And now that we are here, I wanted to show you a few tools that I also will be using for my stream. I've made many more than those that are here, like my real-time map. I don't know if I've got it like at hand here, like Resident Evil, my door skip mod, my crowd control, my overhaul for streams, which is basically a previous version of a few things here. Save states for the enemies to actually load. This one is actually quite funny. I'm going to show you in a moment. Debug menus. If I recall correctly, I had a real-time. Yeah, here it is. Like, does it work? It's been ages since I don't use it. So it shows you where I actually. Oh my god, where do I have my hands? Yeah, this is my previous version. As you can see, oopsie, yeah, I fucked up. Yeah, but you can see this is my older version of my real-time map, which I'll show you here. I'll show you in a moment. This is my health panel, my inventory GUI, which you'll see me using in a moment, real-time position, and my radar here. And if I start shooting, my inventory updates, and also the enemies here start moving. Let me get out of here first and foremost. Like this, get the fuck up. So yeah, these are mainly the tools that I wanted to show you. Any advices, any improvements, anything is welcome. So hope you like this video. If you want to know specific details on a specific tool, just go ahead and ask me. I also make special tracking things for like Wario Land, Pokemon Crystal, Fire Red, whatever, 3D overlays, so that you can see a 3D model instead of a 2D sprite. I don't know if I can do a demo or something like this one, Pokemon Crystal, and then show you. Let's first start the game. And now I run my overlay. which actually keeps track of pretty much everything I've got inside of the game. As you can see, basically you get info on whatever you are doing. I don't know if this map is actually, yeah, I didn't know if it was right or not, because I'm actually here. Pokegear map. You can see I'm actually here in the map. But if I travel to, you know, whatever, let's go to Kanto. I'm right now in Johto, but if I do this, I'm actually in Kanto. Oops. You can see. Basically, if you start a wild battle, you can keep track of the enemy Pokemon, which is a Tentacool. Yeah. You can also make it shiny. As you can see, if I go out, for example, I can make the next Pokemon be shiny. Just I mean, it's just for the test. So I don't actually run any of these games, so whatever. So hope you like this small demo, and see you next video.